talking about?
No soft life, guys.
Less soft life.
There's no soft life. It's hustle every day. Hustle, hustle, hustle.
Yeah?
We are tired. We've been working non-stop since Sunday evening.
Yeah,
Finishing at 4 a.m. And people want to start some drama and they don't even know what is it that you do.
No, but the point is to never let them know what you do because you're working in silence. We work in silence. We don't.
Yo, even this piano doesn't feel piano-ish.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Hey guys, so it's Friday. I've mostly been home, content creation. The weather sucks, so this is my outfit. I just want to be relaxed. There's somebody that I'm meeting in Hyde Park in Olives and Plates. So I just don't see the point of filming that because we were there last week together. So plus this is a work thing, so it's probably gonna be boring. I'm dressed so relaxed because I'm tired and I'm just not in the mood to wear a skirt and heels. This person is just gonna have to put up with me. So I will see you guys. Let me just show you what it looks like outside. I love the rain. It's like rain is my favorite thing. And when it rains, I just feel so good. I feel so happy. Basically, this is the weather today, and I love that cool air. I hate heat. I don't like summer, so I don't know. People who go on about how they miss summer and they want summer back, they must go live on another planet because that weather is not for me. So let's go. So I wanted to show you my fish marinade because I'm making fish tonight, and in here there's garlic, there's parsley, there's ginger, there is mustard, Dijon mustard, and there's some lemon, and the parsley I chose is the flower parsley. You can choose the flat one, it's okay. And I'm gonna blend all of this and I'll add a little bit of oil or vinegar, and then I'm going to marinate my fish with it. This is a fish spice I really like, and I like to add it to all my stuff. I buy this one from Food Lovers, but I'm sure every other store might have it. But I really, really love this in my fish. And I'm just gonna add this to my mixture here. My fish of choice tonight is a tilapia. And I just like to have it cleaned at the store, and then I'm gonna put all my spices. I'm gonna let it rest while I'm prepping my vegetables and cooking everything. So I'm gonna make my tilapia just right before I'm ready to make my vegetables and everything. And I like this fish because it's lean, it's not too fatty. This is a one from Zim. I saw in the store it said it's from Zim, so I just like to let it drip. So I put it this way so that the water drips out of it. I got this from the fish market I showed you earlier at Food Lovers. So before I wash my vegetables, I wanted to give you a bit of an idea of what is it that I'm making tonight. These are actually the leaves of amaranth. I know that people from India or of Indian descent actually eat these, and they make a curry from it with some potatoes or lentils. So I'm actually gonna make this with brinjals, but I'm not making a curry. I'm gonna make it the way that we make it at home, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. But basically, these, you can see amaranth sometimes is used to decorate plates and to put in salads and stuff. So I actually cook it. So I'm gonna share it with you guys. Going there, and this is the gravy in which I'm gonna put the veggies. I have this crazy obsession for Aromat right now. I'm literally putting Aromat in everything I'm eating. I don't know why. My eggs, everything. Can somebody please tell me, does this have MSG? Because I am addicted. So I put a little bit of Aromat into this stew, but I want to keep it simple. I don't want to have too many spices in it because I'm keeping it green with the herbs that I used in my fish. So whatever residue was left in the fish that I had marinated, I've put it here, and I just want to keep it simple. So let me show you guys a little trick on how to keep your vegetables green. If you haven't blanched it like I didn't blanch it, I just threw it into the stew. You can add a little bit of bicarb of soda. It will help keep the vegetables green and it will soften it quicker. So if you're doing spinach, you can also do this and your spinach will stay absolutely green. Also okra and all of that. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this just to keep my vegetables that green. And of course, as the true African I am, I cannot cook this without chilies. It needs to be hot. I need to be feeling it. So I'm just gonna let it cook as long as my pap is cooking. I don't mind. Yeah. So almost time for dinner. Let me clean up. Hey guys, everything is cooked and I burnt my spoon because I forgot it on the stove. These are my veggies and they are delicious, and I had forgotten the brinjal before, but I added it in last minute. And then here's my fufu. I added mealie meal and I put in some cassava just to let it be soft, and I just like the taste. I don't really like mealie meal on its own. And this is how we make pap back home, so I'm gonna show it to you guys one day. And then here you saw the fish already, so that's my meal and I'm good to go, and that's dinner. So yeah, see you in the next vlog, guys. I'm finally sharing my shower routine. I wanted to begin this with showing you what I use for my grooming, especially my face and my body and everything. You guys know that I grow facial hair. So I use this Vit cream and the Mandy's cream because they keep my skin soft. I don't think I'd like to wax. I'm not a big fan of pain, so I like to do my hair management myself at home. Maybe someday I'll try laser, and I like to use products for sensitive skin. Like this Gillette one is for men, but it was for sensitive skin, so it's very efficient, but it's very not rough. And then this is for my face. You guys have seen me shave my face before. It's just a little blade that I use. It doesn't replace dermaplaning, guys. If you want a dermaplan, go to an esthetician. So in my Mandy's packet, these two come in. So one is a skin balm that you apply before applying the hair remover, and then the other product is the hair remover. I like to do this especially on days when I feel like my skin is gonna break out, because if you shave your face while your skin is breaking out, you're gonna have the worst pimples ever. I experienced this a couple of months ago where I shaved and, you know, I had a pimple on my upper lip. So I'd rather use this cream to do my hair removal situation than to shave if I notice even like one little pop of anything on my face. And this is very efficient, guys. In 2 minutes, your hair is off, and all you have to do is to just wash your face. This product is very gentle on the face, so even if you have sensitive skin, you can still use it if you grow a mustache or anything like myself. So I keep it on for 2 minutes, and then I wipe it off with my baby wipes or makeup remover, or anything like that. And on today, I just decided to shave the rest of my face. I did not want to apply this all over my face, but sometimes I do apply this all over my face. I just wanted to show you guys, like, this is what it looks like when I shave, and then this is what it looks like when I apply the cream. And I didn't really have much to remove on top, like on my forehead and stuff. So yeah, let's shower. So in the shower, I like my shower lukewarm. I don't like very hot water because it dries out my skin. And from a young age, I was taught as soon as I step in, I have to wash my underwear, and I'm just uncomfortable putting this in the washing machine. I love my African body loofah. It is so exfoliating and amazing. I have been using this Bioderma body wash, which is for sensitive skin, and guys, it's been really good to my skin, and it foams up quite well. So yeah, I'm happy with it. And then I go on and lather this and exfoliate my entire body with it. Lately, it's been hard to use it around my ears because of the new piercings I have. Don't forget to close the shower to save water. So yeah, I just do this, just save water. I exfoliate my entire body with it, guys. You can get this from Bioderma. I'll leave a link below on where you can get the body loofah from. And I like that it can stretch, so I can use it to scrub my back as well, because I have short arms, so I can't really reach my back that well. So this really helps me. And I like to rinse and scrub at the same time. I don't know how to explain it. And then for my feet, this is what I use. It's a scrub from Also Heavenly and a foot filer. People say that because they showered, the soap reached the feet. Guys, I don't believe in that. You need to like wash your feet, please. Okay. Then for my face, I use this Bioderma sensitive gel moussant or face wash, and I use this on my face every single day, except if I want to exfoliate, then I use something with an active. Guys, I really believe in this Sonic brush from where is this, like Clarisonic. I still use it. This is for my ingrown hairs. As you saw, I've been doing hair removal today on my face, so I'm gonna scrub my face. I know that the beauty gurus these days don't like this, but I am still here. I absolutely love this too. If you have ingrown hair and you want to exfoliate, and ingrown hair, for me, it works with physical exfoliation to remove it. So this really does the job, and I get all of that out. And I use it on the rest of my face because I'm like, I'm already here. Why not, you know? And it's gentle, guys. I don't feel like it's abrasive or it hurts my skin or it does anything to me. And I have a brush for the body as well, so I just don't feel like it hurts my skin. Well, it hasn't hurt me, but if you have sensitive skin, just beware. This is my Wild Fig. Why am I talking so fast? It's a scrub, and then if I'm shaving, this is what I use to shave, a foam from Dove. It smells so good. I brush my teeth in the shower because I just feel like I'm already in there. Let me just get it done. And I really prefer it like this so that I don't have to come out and then start brushing my teeth. And I don't brush my teeth when I wake up because I don't want my food to taste like toothpaste. I use a wet cloth to wipe my skin because it helps me retain moisture. If you don't know about my face skincare routine, you have to follow me on Instagram. Link is below. Every time I do hair removal, I use this baby balm cream because I do have sensitivity and I do have like a little bit of a reaction, and I feel like this helps. Lately, I am trying out this moisturizer, even the Lino Lab one, and I add my glycerin to it to like add a little moisture. And then, yeah, I feel like my skin has been moisturized, and I love this product on my feet. It has helped me with dry fit. For my big girls out there, this is an extra tip for you. If you have any folds, like I have mine under my stomach, this is what I use to make me smell good all the time. Try it. Guys, this is crazy. I am so sick. I am so sick. I have flu, I have cough. My body hurts, and I've never had COVID before. But I think I have COVID right now. I have been double vaccinated, as you know, if you've been watching my vlogs. So I'm like, hopefully that helps me. It's like Friday. I had so much to do today, but I have no strength in me to get out of the house. Absolutely none. There's a point when I thought I stopped breathing. I swear to you guys, I thought I'm not breathing. Oh my God, I feel exhausted. Oh, Jesus, Debbie. I need to get up and eat something because, oh, this is bad. This is so bad. I didn't know you could be this sick. Oh my God. I'm in so much pain. This is crazy. This is insane. I was just fine yesterday. I was walking around. Oh, but today,
Oh my god, I hope this is just exhaustion. Oh, this is just exhaustion. So, unfortunately, I'm logging from home today. I doubt I'll do anything exciting because I'm sick, but I didn't have content to post this on Monday, so crap. Guys, take care of yourselves, please. This thing hasn't gone. It hasn't left, and the fear is real because I'm so scared right now. So if I feel this yesterday, I think the day before it was just flu. Yesterday it was cough and flu. Then today it's cough, flu, body ache. So let's see tomorrow. If tomorrow I wake up with something else, I am going to test straight to the doctor and whatever. But I called her on the phone and she told me what to get. So yeah. Oh God, this is so painful. Wear your mask, guys. Wear your mask. Whew.